Hello.
Hello.
Can you see me?
No, I can't.
Can you see me now? Yeah?
Yes, now I can see you.
Perfect. Great. So, how are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name is Emma and I'm from Ireland.
Okay, great. So my name is Ramzan and I am from India.
Ramzan. Ramzan?
Yes,
Yes.
Ramzan. Yeah.
Ramzan from India. Very good. Great. So, how long have you been learning English and using Cambly?
I am practicing on Cambly from last 1 month
1 month.
and
Okay.
about 65 tutors
Wow.
I attended. Yes. And I had the shyness with talking with girls, and now I'm enough confident that I can speak with anyone around the world.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
so I am also working
That's
on my fluency,
yeah.
I mean pronunciation also. But I have a problem that I am not able to understand that which accent I am following, like British accent or American accent. So, what you think that what type of accent I have?
I don't think you have either. Um, yeah, I think you just have, because I speak with a lot of Indian students, and you kind of just have an Indian accent, really.
So
Um,
currently, you are thinking that if someone is listening to me, then they will be immediately identify me that I am an Indian.
yeah, well, I would.
Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
you mean that any specific words you are thinking that we are not pronouncing properly?
No, it's not to do with your pronunciation. Your pronunciation is very good.
Hmm.
Um, it's just. It's just your Indian accent, I think. Yeah, I can't really say.
So
Um,
you mean
yeah,
that I mean you talked with a lot of Indians, and because of that you are just thinking that you I am similar to them, or how you are identifying?
yeah, maybe it is because I have worked with a lot of Indian students, so I kind of know the Indian accent in terms of Indian people speaking English. But are you trying to achieve a different accent?
Yes, I am interested to achieve British accent. Oh, sorry, American accent.
Okay, an American accent.
Just like
Um,
bottle, batter.
yeah,
That
that's
is
American. Yeah.
all right. So in that way, and few words I was practicing like girl, work, uh, world, and yes, these were the few words which I had the hardship, and now I am thinking that I can pronounce it well. So, can you pronounce these three words like girl, world, and work?
In my accent?
Yes.
Okay, so girl,
Hmm.
what was the other one? World
Yes.
and work.
Work. Yes.
Hmm. But I'm not American. I was born in America, but
Hmm.
I have lived in Ireland my whole life. So I don't have an American accent or I don't have a British accent. I have an Irish accent. um,
So there is the Irish accent also.
yeah. So it's just neutral.
Okay.
Um, Americans use accents like when they're talking, it's very accented. So like girl, world, but Irish people just say girl.
Yes, yes,
world.
simple.
It's more neutral in comparison to American English. American English is, I feel they drag out their words a lot. So maybe, hi guys, like drag.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, while we would
So,
just say, hi guys.
so other than that, what's your profession?
Yeah, so I am a qualified event manager.
Mm-hmm.
But I only qualified from university last year. So due to COVID-19, there hasn't been any events on.
Okay.
So I am working as an English tutor until events return.
Okay.
Yeah.
And other than that, I mean, what about your culture? You are living with your family, or you are I mean, away from them?
Yes, so when I studied for 4 years at university in the capital city of Ireland, so I moved away from my family for 4 years,
Mm-hmm.
but I am back living with my family now.
Okay, so one thing I wanted to confirm that in California, I mean US and UK, there is the culture like people are living with their partners before marriage. So in
Yes.
Ireland, there is also the same thing.
Yeah.
So their parents don't mind.
No, it's totally normal to live with your partner before you're married.
So
It's almost the done thing. Like everyone lives with their partner before they get married.
so you had also the same case.
No, I don't live with my partner.
Okay,
Just because we live in different parts of the country. So, I work in one place and he works in a different place, so it wouldn't work. Not yet.
okay. So you mean
But yeah, yeah,
yeah, for
continue.
example, they are leaving, then you don't think that they have the distractions in the study if they are studying in a college or working in a specific profession?
You've would the if partners live together, they'd be distracted?
Yes.
Um, Quite possibly, but a lot of the time it's totally normal. So that's how everyone does it. A lot of people live with their partners before marriage, and they're both working their jobs, and yeah, it's just normal.
And they are also sharing their expenses, or I mean, boy has to fulfill all the things.
No, it's shared.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Um, is it different in India?
Here in India, if someone is doing the things which you are doing, then immediately he will be killed.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So
So it's extremely different.
this is the biggest sin over here in India.
Do you plan on living in India for your whole life,
Yes.
or you'd like to stay in India? Yeah.
I mean, I have never visited any other country except India, but I am interested to uh, see the world, and
Mm-hmm.
for that, I have to visit over there in US first of all, and then European countries.
Yeah. So you do hope to travel in the future.
Yes,
Very good. So what do you work at?
I am a software engineer. I am working on websites and mobile apps.
Okay. And do you enjoy your work?
Yes, nowadays I am working on my own project and I enjoy a lot because I have my personal project. Earlier, I was working for a company, and now I divided my time in supporting some clients in freelancing work,
Mm-hmm.
and half of the time I invest in development of my own product.
Okay. So you prefer maybe working on your own projects?
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. You get to
because
make the decisions.
yes, because that is one-time investment and I mean regular earning from that. And if you are
Okay.
working as an employee, then you only have the salary
Okay.
each month.
Yeah, so our time's finished. So see you.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.